Liteharbor Lighting is one of the leading manufacturers in light mirror fields in China, which locates in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, has great advantages in transportation and manufacturing. Liteharbor Lighting offers you a variety of mirror lights to complement any decors and give you a clean, taste-free area. It has a complete light mirror product line, including illuminated mirror cabinet, and magnifying mirror light. Liteharbor takes quality as her first thing to pursue, having full process equipment and excellent producing technology. Customers' need of high customizing, small batch, and various certification can be met. Professional producing process and strict QC tests ensure the quality meets the requirement. Locking screw to fix the aluminum frame, stick the thermal conducting silicone, weld wire, stick the lamp strips on the thermal conducting silicone. Inspect the glass, clean the aluminum frame, then grooming and put on the glass. Let it stand still for 24 hours. Connect the wire, fix the driver box, then begin resistance test and light up test with precise equipment. Liteharbor Lighting products through the strict quality inspection, aging test for 24 hours, circuit test, power up and power down, load test, a cheaper weight of 42 kg and lasts 24 hours. A firm packaging makes sure the mirror light remains intact after the transportation. Our products are popular around the customer all over the world. Liteharbor with strong research and development capability, the complete product solutions will be provided. Liteharbor products have obtained CULUS, CETLUS, DLC, CE Rose certificates. At present, we have acquired the ISO 9001 International Quality System certificate. Choosing Liteharbor will not only bring you high-quality products, but also sincere service. You deserve a better supplier, and Liteharbor will be the right one for you.